and welcome back. Okay, I've cleaned the rear brake caliper as best as I can and the disc is clean. The pistons had rust and are slightly marked, but they're passable. Brake pads are good, but I'll need to buy more seals. So no brakes today and it's back to the electrics. My plan is to make a safe place for the flasher relay to sit, and there's some more work needing done to the wiring. Keep watching. Okay, I found another bit of scrap to make a bracket. Needs modified, and I'm going to keep it simple and again use what's already here. Okay, I'll leave that to dry. Right, these wires from the regulator needing sorted. I'll get a friend to help with the connectors. So those need to all go together. I can still tidy up a bit more though. Yeah, this is the battery lead, so I'm just going to do a temporary fix on it. Look at that, it's got a big crack in it. It really needs to be changed, but it will do just to test the lights. Yep, that flasher relay sits in there really nice. That works really well there. Right, there we go. That's nice and tidy, and I think that's enough for just now. So thanks for watching, folks. I hope you've enjoyed. Much appreciate your comments and new subs. To be continued. And special thanks to my patrons for your continuing support, and to those of you who have donated towards the project. Every penny helps.